We are continuing the construction of our model. Next, we will discuss how we can utilize the various construction templates we may have created in advance and apply them in the context of our statement. We have already designed a metal structure, and it is now quite clear that we need to fill the middle with some standard module, which in turn can be modified in some way and differ from the standard model. The interior can be equipped with other standard components such as drawers, shelves, and various other elements. So now, let's see how we address this problem by continuing to work with woodwork. Now, we can fill the middle with a cupboard. The body of this cabinet is the template structure that we will use. With further modifications, we will achieve the final result that we desire. Let's eliminate the information we don't need before moving on. We retain only the frame structure within which we will place the cabinet. Let's construct our cabinet within the confines of the future frame. First, we request a new body. We extend to this point. We name the new body. We use the Make Components command. Next, we move our body to the assembly where we handle the woodwork. In this build, we further specify how it will fit into this block. First, we define where the front is and ensure that we need to attach the skeleton body to its side and modify it. Next, we request the system to pass an 18 mm plate through this body and plane it. Next, we adjust the partition. We specify on which side the 320 mm high shelf is to be placed. Then, we need to indicate that the shelf is to be trimmed with the following shelves and back. We position the skeleton at the back. We draw the blocks. Next, we specify that the height of the bottom block from the base will be 10 mm, and this height will be 180 mm. All the other drawer heights will be equal. One edge will overlap the other with a gap of 20 mm between them. We create a variable that will be needed later. And we enter the new volume. We insert our drawers into the skeleton.